Klein Tools is a well-known brand that prides itself in making tools that make your job easier. Today, let's look at some Klein tools available at Jackson Systems. The Klein magnetic wire puller makes fishing wire through walls practical and easy. It uses a rare earth magnet for an extremely strong magnetic connection. Its 180-degree pivot handle makes it easy to use and allows it to be used as a metal stud finder as well. The Klein rechargeable self-leveling green Planar laser level gives you 3 level planes simultaneously. With 9+ hours of battery life, this level is sure to last on the job. Its integrated magnetic base makes it easy to mount in tricky spaces like crawl spaces, attics, and construction sites. It's never been easier to stay level on hard jobs. The IR5 infrared thermometer from Klein is a dual targeting laser which can make it easy to capture an average. Capable of reading -22 to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, the IR5 is reliable and versatile. Stop carrying so many tools with Klein hybrid tools. The J2158CR is a pair of hybrid pliers, which features wire strippers for 3 different sizes, a cutting edge, built-in crimps, shears for screws, and of course, plier jaws. The 32300 series screwdrivers carry multiple bits inside the handle. The 32307 is a 27-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver that can save you the hassle of digging in your tool bag to try to find the right driver. Another neat tool from Klein is the ET310, a digital circuit breaker finder with Gfci outlet testing. This takes the guessing game out of locating outlets corresponding with certain breakers. Just plug it in and scan, and you're good to go. Want it all? Check out the Klein Tools 80141. This kit is a 41-piece toolkit containing comfortable and durable tools made for the professional. For more Klein tools or information about these products, visit jacksonsystems.com. And as always, thanks for watching.